Hey everybody out there, I see a lot of people making boards the way I make them. Use a little caulk gun, throw a little caulking under your cake, stick it to the board, and you'll end up with all this residue at the end. It's kind of a pain in the butt after a while, it gets built up and stuff, you scrape it off, but... So, here's my new boards. New board, put a piece of nice little wood down, nice plywood so it won't split or anything. And you just take your cake and put them wherever you want along here. Put it right there. Take a little block you made. Pretty secure. You can go on each side. Now it's really secure. You go right on down the line. Do that. Just a little better way, I think. You get less mess. A little more work, but hey, we all like to work for our fireworks.